Hey guys, so whoever's watching, I'm gonna do a little readout on how I do my recipes on the steak that I cook. These are filet mignon pieces, and what I do is I go to Harris Teeter and get 2 filet mignons. They're about 12-14 bucks each. And then I grab the Stella Rosa wine, Stella Rosa or Martini Rossi. There's 2 different Italian wines. I marinate them, marinate the pieces, the meat pieces, in the wine, the steak seasoning, the garlic salt, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, and then regular pepper. I marinate it for about usually a day, and once I get that going, I put them in the foil paper and I throw them in the grill for 15 minutes on each side at 450 degrees. So they broil in it, they get almost medium rare. Then throw them on the fire and smoke them, and this is what they turn out to be like, finished product. I usually like mine a little burnt up on the outside and medium plus on the inside. So just thought I'd make this video for people that like to cook, which I do like to cook myself. I'm gonna do a cut in real quick. Put the camera here.